What's up YouTube, it's Junior here, and today I have something really cool for you. Today this is a budget smartphone. And when I say budget, I mean it is budget. This is $140. That's right, you heard correctly, you heard right, $140. This is the blue Vivo XL3 Plus. Now, this has a lot of good reviews on Amazon. If you look it up on Amazon, I looked at that really fast. I saw a fly shoot by. It scared me. But if you look this up on Amazon, it has a lot of good reviews on it. And I will put a link to this in the description below if you want to pick one up for yourself. So let's read off the back here. I'm going to read off the back for you real fast what it has. It says it's a 6-inch HD plus curved glass display, 18:9 widescreen viewing experience, Qualcomm Snapdragon 425, powerful 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, 64-bit, 32 GB internal memory, 3 GB of RAM, 13 megapixel main camera with phase detection, autofocus, a 16 megapixel selfie camera with front LED flash and blue final touch, micro SD up to 64 GB, non-removable, 3000 mAh battery, advanced security fingerprint sensor, Android 7.1 Nougat, 4G LTE speeds up to 150 megabits per second, premium metal housing design. Now, let's check this out. Let's open it up. I got the black. So let's open this up. Okay, so here's the phone right here. Okay, so let's take this out and let's see what we get in the box. There's the phone. Dang, that is big. Okay, so we got some stickers. So in the box, let's see here, we got some headphones that they just throw in there like that. So you got some blue headphones. Also, it does have a headphone jack. Apple. Where's my headphone jack at? You know what I'm saying? So you got the power cord, or the power supply. You got the cord, which is a micro USB. Comes with a memory card SIM ejector, some instructions, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not mistaken, you have a screen protector, and this is a case for it. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I like that. I like that. I think all phones should come with like a screen protector and a case. Okay, so let's put all this to the side. Let's check out the phone now. So let's peel this off. Here we go. I know everybody likes to listen to this. Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear it? See that? Look at that. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Look, you can see the camera. So let's peel this off. So you got a I'm guessing it's a fingerprint reader on the back. Take this off the camera here. This looks like a nice phone. This phone actually looks, for $140. I mean, you know, $140. Okay, so let's power this on. Guessing it's the power button back here. Here we go. Ready? Wait, it's not even the power button. How do you power this on? Oh, right here. There's the power button back here. Ready? Oh, something happened. Blue. You see that? What's that? Blue, bold like us. Dang, that screen looks good, dude. That's a bigger screen than the iPhone. Check it, you see? That is legit, dude, I dropped it. $140, yeah, that's $140, $140. I'm gonna get all this set up and then we're gonna check it out. Okay, so here it is, check it out, all set up. There it is. This is a huge phone. Look at that. It actually looks really nice. So check it out. Here we go. So look at that. Go back and forth. It's actually really responsive. Let's check out the camera. Okay, so there's the camera. Check it out. Look, there I am. I'm on camera. On a camera. On a phone. It says a 16 megapixel selfie camera, front facing camera. So let's try that out right here. Ready, I'm gonna take a picture and what should I do? Should I smile or something? What? I don't take too many selfies, so you know, so like. So that was that's the beauty mode. It don't look half bad. It don't look that bad. You know, you can zoom in on it. Okay. I see. Okay, the beauty mode. Yeah, the beauty mode don't look that bad. So it has a portrait mode on the camera. You also. Ooh, it also has a front-facing portrait mode too. Check this out. Let's try it out too. So there's the front-facing portrait mode. Don't look that bad either. It don't look that bad either. Okay. For $140, $140, y'all. Come on, y'all. Now this is GSM unlocked, so that means AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, Metro PCS, like Family Mobile, like Straight Talk and stuff like that. It will work for that, but for Verizon and Sprint, it will not work. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, it's actually a nice phone for $140. Now, so here's some video. Check this out.
You know, they get like, sometimes they get good stuff, sometimes they get crap, and I'm like, dude, you know what? I want to try one. I want to see if it's true.
Bro, I am super impressed with this phone. I ain't even lying.
I'm sure, you know, I'm just saying.
The sound.
But I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. So I got a $50 eBay mystery box.
You know, and I mean, it sounds okay, but dude, I am impressed with this phone. $140. I am super impressed with this phone. Okay, so here's the fingerprint reader. Let's try this out. I'm gonna put my finger on the back, and we're gonna see. And now, not bad, not bad. Okay. For $140. Dude, okay, I highly recommend this phone. $140. If you're looking for a budget smartphone, I don't know if it gets much better than this. $140. The blue Vivo XL3 Plus 6-inch screen. Dude, I mean, like, come on, look at that. 16 megapixel front camera, 13 megapixel back camera. Link in the description if you want to go pick one up. I highly recommend it. Definitely recommend it. That's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.